When you book in an appointment, our friendly receptionist will go through a detailed questionnaire regarding your recent activity and symptoms, which will allow us to assess your level of risk for coronavirus infection before you attend the surgery. If we feel that you are at a high risk of having possibly been infected with coronavirus, even if you are asymptomatic, we will respectfully request for you to delay booking any appointments with us for at least 2 weeks, and then we will reassess. We would recommend that patients in high-risk groups delay non-essential dental treatment for as long as possible until the trend of the pandemic becomes clear. To find out whether you are in a high-risk group, please visit the COVID NHS webpage. Dental Beauty will operate a payment in advance policy over the phone or online and will be requested when your appointment is booked and should be completed before attendance. This reduces the requirement for unnecessary contact or use of card terminals at reception. A payment in advance policy will also be required for treatment courses, regular examinations, and hygiene visits. 3 days before your appointment, you will receive an email with a link to a medical history form. The link will direct you to a secure portal where you can securely complete your form. By doing this, you will reduce waiting times in the clinic. When you arrive at the practice, please phone reception to let them know you are here. When travelling to the practice, we would recommend that you limit close contact with other members of the public as far as possible, at least 2 meters away from another person. If you are able to drive or be driven to and from your appointment by somebody you live with, this would help to minimize risk for you and for our staff. When you attend the practice, we will ask you to use the hand sanitizer to clean your hands for at least 30 seconds. We will then give you a mask to wear, as well as a plastic sleeve for you to store your mask during your treatment. Our receptionist will then digitally take your temperature. If your temperature is above 37.8 degrees, you would not be permitted to enter the practice and will be asked to return home and self-isolate as per current government guidelines. If you are well, we will direct you straight to the surgery. If you need to wait in the waiting room, please ensure you keep 2 meters away from anyone else and prevent touching any surfaces where possible. When you enter the surgery, we will ask all patients to rinse their mouth with Colgate Peroxyl, a hydrogen peroxide mouthwash, for 1 minute before each appointment in surgery. We will provide you with a plastic cup for you to carefully spit the mouthwash into. All dental staff will be upgrading their personal protective equipment in line with current recommendations and evidence. Whilst our protective equipment may make us appear impersonal and distant, please be assured we are still the same friendly team underneath it all. Dental protocols and using our specialised equipment can be carried out to ensure minimal risk during your treatment. We have also invested in and installed patented HEPA air filtration units in every surgery to ensure clean air. Once your treatment is complete and you are ready to leave, please put your mask back on. Dental Beauty will be providing an additional 1 hour buffer period between patients to allow additional time for decontamination protocols, allow for any treatment overruns, and allow preparation time for the next patient so that they do not need to wait in the reception area. We will then direct you straight to the reception desk if needed to digitally sign any treatment plans or settle any payments. Our equipment will then be cleaned with disinfectant. Please ensure you keep 2 meters away from anybody else and prevent touching any surfaces where possible when you exit the practice. Upon leaving the practice, please put your mask and plastic sleeve in the waste bin provided.